Yeah.
What do you want me to open first?
It doesn't matter.
Alright, then I'll open the top part first.
Okay.
Oh, my fixing dinner here. Nice unzip more.
Green.
I think it's broken. It's green. Is that what Dad said?
Okay.
The can of lettuce. Okay. Alright. I guess the bottom part will be the salad fixing and maybe some protein. We'll have dinner, huh?
I thought we were going to go to dinner out.
Oh my
Oh my God.
artichokes. Oh, we didn't buy these today.
Oh, see, you did go shopping today. Oh, darn it. I was going to ask.
But I can always use this stuff. Now and onions, they've gotten very expensive.
A red onion, yes. What else is in there?
Pepper,
Mm-hmm.
a mango, I think.
Yes. That's the sweet stuff.
What am I making? Tomato? Eggplant?
Good.
What? Okay. Cucumber? And of course, the best yet.
Yes, garlic.
Garlic.
Well, I figured this would be much better than a basket of chocolates.
You're absolutely right.
God.
You have to get a picture. Move this on my friend.
So,